Hello my dear little stars. Hope you all are very well. Huh? Studying well? Today we will study subject maths here. You can see that on this board. And which topic? Topic is subtraction. You can see this on your page number 27. Page 27, subtraction. We will start from there. Alright? Here what do you see that? What is the meaning of subtraction? How do you can understand that what is subtraction? Before that ma'am has taught that addition we are adding, but in subtraction what we do? We just deduct that. We just minus the things. Like we can remove the things. Right? This is the sign of subtraction. Minus. Okay? We can say this minus also. We just minus. This one is the sign of subtraction. Okay? That one was addition plus, and subtraction is what? Minus. Plus means we are adding, plusing. And minus is minusing, just removing, cutting. Alright? So here minus, I just would like to explain here. I am having what? One book, two book. Yours two book I am having. And now one book I would like to keep in my cupboard. So I just remove one. I just minus one. And now what is left? Only one. Out of two books, how many books is left? One. Why? Ma'am has minus one. There were how many books? Two books. Ma'am minus one. Then how many books left? Having two minus one. So how many left? Answer will be one. One left. Means one book left. One book left. There were two books minus one when I have just kept in the cupboard. So how many left there? One. So that is the minus. One marker, two marker means added. But there were two marker and I just minus one. Just kept one. So that is how much left? One left. Okay. Now this is this way that that marker, that minus 2, then 1 left. 3 marker minus 1, 2 left. So minus is what? That is subtract. We just subtract, just cut. Okay. So how will you learn the subtraction? By cutting the lines. Okay. Now I will tell you how. You can see that there are 5 balloons in this picture. How many balloons? 5. 2 got burst. 2 balloons burst. Fut gaye. Huh? And then how many left? Out of 5, there were 5 balloons. You love playing balloons, huh? So 1 and 2. 2 balloons burst. Fut gaya. Then how many left? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 balloons left. How many were left? Out of 5, 2 balloons burst. And how many left? 3 left. So through minus and left 3. Got it? So here there were 5 balloons. How many balloons? You love playing with the balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 balloons. And 2 balloons burst. 2 balloons burst. How many left? 1, 2, 3 left. So 5 balloons minus 2. And how many left? 3 left. 3 balloons And you can say this way also, that 5 minus 2 and answer 3. When we take 5 things and minus 2, then how many left? 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, cut 2 lines. How many? 2 lines, minus 2. And how many left? 1, 2, 3. So this is your answer. Alright? Now, subtracting 0. 0 when we just use within subtraction addition, it means 0, nothing, means nothing is there. How many leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves are there. How many leaves are there? 6 leaves are there. And 0 gone. We just nothing minus. So how many left here? 6. Okay? Like 6 leaf. 1 leaf. 2 leaf. 3. 4. 5 and 6 leaf, but it's not gone anywhere, nothing, nowhere, 0. So when we minus 0, what will the answer? Answer again 6 leaves, means they are still there. So what will be the answer? Will be 6. Okay. How many leaves were there? 6. 6 leaves minus 0. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So this is the answer. Alright. Subtracting by 0. Now, examples are there. 4 minus 0. 4. 3 minus 0. 3. 2 minus 0. 2. 7 minus 0, 7, 6 minus 0, 6, 5 minus 0, 5. If you take 4 things and minus 0, means nothing you are having 4 things, but you not cut, you not minus. So answer will be 4. You are having 5 things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, minus 0. So what is left? All 5 are there. You are having 5 toffees. Not given to anybody, all 5 toffees are with you, means that answer 5. You have just 0 minus, no toffees, nothing, no any toffees given to anybody. So 0 is nothing, and you are having 5 toffees with you. You are having 5 chocolates minus nothing, it means 0, and you are still having 5. So when we minus 0 in any digit means nothing. Digit is that same there. Having 10 toffees, 10 books, 10 dresses, 10 toys, and minus 0 means nothing you cut, and still 10 is there with you. It can happen with any digit, okay? Now open page number 28. Here you can see in a plate that 3 mangoes. There are 3 mangoes and Amit ate. Amit ate 1 mango. Amit ate 1 mango. Wow, very yummy. And how many left now? 2 mangoes are left in the plate. Okay. There were how many mangoes? 3 mangoes. 3 mangoes in a plate. Huh? Or Amit minus 1. Amit ate 1. Then how many left? 2 mangoes on a plate. How many mangoes left on a plate? 2 mangoes. Okay. So answer will be, means just see here, 3 mangoes minus 1. Amit ate 1. And how many left? 1, 2, 3 lines. You cut 1. How many lines left? 1, 2. It It means 2 mangoes are left. Okay. There are 3 markers and ma'am has taken 1 marker, means minus 1 marker. How many left? 2 left there. Alright. So this way you can just learn the subtraction, subtract, cut, minus. Okay. Next you just see here examples of just minus 1. Examples of minus 1. When you minus 1, that the last before number. Okay. If you are have minus 7, what? In that digit 7 minus 1. So what will the before number of 7? 6. Answer will be the before